Hello friends, welcome back to my channel.
As you would have seen, my video today is about sari. Sari is the best costume to be used as a style statement. Wear it to a temple and be in a very traditional look. Wear it for some functions or wear it to a party and look like a diva. Sari can be the best choice for an official meeting too. In our hectic lifestyle, maybe draping a sari or wearing it on a busy office day is not practical. So I am here to share a few tips on how to use the lovely designs and patterns of the drape into beautiful salwar suits. So stay tuned. The first sari is a peach cotton sari with a thread work in green color. The yoke and sleeves of the kurta is made with the pallu of the sari. The complete sari is used to make the flared portion of the kurta and the cigarette pants. You can see the peacock booties at the bottom of the kurta. I have teamed it with a bottle green dupatta with jerry border and a terracotta set which I have made it by myself. It is of the same color combination. Next is a Coimbatore cotton sari with heavy jerry in the pallu and border. The pallu is used to create the long sleeves and the vertical design running through the kurta. The rest of the sari material is used for the stitching of the palazzo. I have added a maroon dupatta with rich designs in golden thread. The jerry border of the sari is used on the bottom of the kurta and on the sleeves as well. I have accessorized this dress also with a terracotta set created by me. This is a semi cotton sari in the combination of mustard and green. A simple long kurta and palazzo is created here. I have teamed it with a chanderi dupatta of the same color combination. I have worn oxidized jewelry with beads of green and black thread wrapped dori necklace. The pallu of the sari is used to make a crop top which I have worn with a pencil skirt. The accessories are oxidized silver and black metal. I love butterflies and hence the choice of the jewelry. The comfort of wearing cotton clothes is known to all, and so I did not want to leave this sari unused. I have used the 5.5 meters of the sari to create the patiala salwar and dupatta. To my surprise, I had a kurta in my wardrobe which went perfectly well with this salwar. The fifth and the last sari is a green semi silk sari. The pallu and border is made up of copper and golden threads. A jacket has been created by the pallu of the sari. I have worn a big ring with green crystals in it. The border of the sari has been used to highlight the sleeves and the kurta. I can wear this dress for any small functions. All I have to do is accessorize with some heavy jewelry. Here I have used a kundan set. This sea green sari has been converted to a floor length kurti. The pallu portion of the sari has been used for the yoke portion of this kurti as well as the yoke portion of my short top. The borders have been used for both the dresses. I have used some fashion jewelry with it. This pink and white silk sari has again been converted into a floor length kurti. This beautiful sky blue sari has been converted to a kurti and palazzo. You can see how effectively the pallu and borders are used. This is yet another dress created in the same manner. As part of the DIY project, I have created a skirt out of a sari. With this sari, I have created a tablecloth, a skirt, and a bag. There are numerous more options. In fact, the road of creativity is endless and limitless. If you liked my video, please like, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, until next time, it's bye from Joe's World.